Boating, camping, fishing.
This is living.
Yeah, load this sucker up.
That's beauty, that one.
Mate, this thing's gold. Little EU10 Honda generator. It's gold, mate.
Good for us.
Perfect for us. We don't need no big power supply. What we need is economical, cheap power. When the solar's not working because the clouds are out and your fridges, you want to keep those fridges pumping, mate, then what you got to do is you get yourself these little generators. A really big high amp battery charger, like the 25 amp hour Waco battery charger. You can charge a battery to start your car in about 4 minutes. That's pretty cool.
Why? Because we've proven it. Now, if you like any other products that you've seen on today's show, don't forget to jump on our website,
Allthews.
allforadventure.com.